Hi everyone, welcome back to Disability, Community and Healthcare. Today, we're emphasizing the crucial role of accessibility in technology and how it empowers people with disabilities. We'll highlight essential resources from the Disability Gateway to help you or your loved ones access these vital tools. From screen readers to mobility aids, the advancements in technology are truly transformative. We'll explore various tools and resources that can significantly enhance daily life for individuals with disabilities. So, stay tuned as we delve into the incredible world of accessibility and its importance. Let's dive in. Creating accessible materials is a game changer for inclusivity. It opens doors for individuals with disabilities, allowing them to participate fully in various aspects of life, from education to employment. Essential resources like reports and worksheets can be made universally usable through thoughtful design. Tips include ensuring that all documents are easy to read and navigate, using sans serif fonts like Arial in at least 12-point size. This makes the text clearer and more legible for everyone. Proper heading styles for easier navigation. Clear headings help screen readers interpret the structure of the document. This ensures that information is truly accessible to everyone, including those with sensory or cognitive disabilities. In South Australia, the Using Technology to Stay Connected initiative empowers individuals with disabilities. This program ensures everyone can stay connected with their loved ones and the broader community. The Disability Elders of All Ages program offers workshops teaching people to use smartphones and tablets confidently and effectively. Services like the National Relay Service help those with hearing or speech challenges to communicate effectively. Accessible Telecoms provides training on using devices, fostering independence and enhancing quality of life. The National Disability Insurance Scheme, or NDIS, plays a vital role in supporting people with disabilities. It provides essential services and funding to ensure that individuals with disabilities can lead fulfilling lives. Local Area Coordinators, or LACs, connect individuals with both NDIS and community services. They act as a bridge, helping people navigate the complex system of supports available. Even if you're not eligible for an NDIS plan, LACs provide valuable information and connect you with local services that can make a big difference in your daily life. LACs can introduce you to aids, accessible technology, and other tools that can enhance your independence. It's about building an inclusive community where everyone can thrive. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that no one is left behind. Accessibility transforms lives, from creating inclusive materials to leveraging life-changing technologies. It empowers individuals, fosters independence, and promotes equality. To explore these resources further, visit the Disability Gateway. It's a comprehensive platform offering valuable information and support. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your community, and subscribe for more insights into healthcare and disability support. Stay informed and stay connected. Together, we can create a more inclusive world. Your support makes a difference.